Hello class, I'm Jarilis Cote and I'll be criticizing Brett Nagy's website. He's presenting us here an introductory video and is real cool. I'm not gonna play it now because it's kind of long. His website is very well organized. He's showing us a lot of valuable information, a lot of helpful information. He's not showing a lot, but what he's showing is just enough to give us the best service, to present us the best service, to present us what he's offering us and what can he give us. I think overall is great. I will just add a little bit of color here because it looks just plain white background. I will just add something else. Have you ever thought about a behind scene video in the introduction area or the services or about us? I think that a behind scene video about you capturing all the memories, capturing all the stories, it will be a great opportunity for the people to see which equipment you use, how well are you prepared. It will give them a chance to see all the hard work that you put on your product. I think it will be a great idea to add a video like that. I like this picture here, but it won't, it's not saying anything to me. Yes, I will get a quote, but here I'm gonna put my name, my email, my phone, and a message. So I think it will be better if you kind of put a computer there, since we're gonna get a quote on the computer instead of a phone call. Overall, I think you did a great job, an amazing job. I will just add a little bit of color to the background. I really like what I'm seeing. I wish you the best and thank you for making this amazing website.